Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to charge your Nest doorbell battery. First, of course, you need to remove the battery, so you need to take this off. Okay, now there are three main steps in this removal process. First, you need to make sure the device has been powered off completely. After you've done this, we want to go ahead and locate and release, the mechanism here at the top and gently disconnect that release mechanism, okay, from its wall mount. You can do this with either a flathead screwdriver or a tool provided upon the purchase of these Nest doorbells. And after this, guys, make sure you go ahead and gently detach that doorbell from the wall mount. And then to charge it, guys, very easy. So you just take a USB charger and connect it to that doorbell and monitor its progress. Ensure that you could go ahead and have it fully charged. After that, you can reinstall this after charging. So this is how it should look like. Okay, and you have to put this latch back in. Okay, and you are ready to go again. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.